30 days in, here's what I've learned.
I'm a survivor.
So this idea of starting a YouTube channel, just start. Just pick up the phone and hit record. Don't overthink it. Upload in batches, upload 3 times a week. This is what the gurus say, right? This is the ideal way to start a channel. Well, what if your niche is actually trying AI tools for the first time and then showing what your experimentation is all about? I think that fits a different pattern than what the gurus had in mind. So Steve Jobs is famous for saying that simplicity, right? It's about simplicity. He based the interface of the iPhone based on making things very accessible and very simple. The reality of starting to learn about AI tools, learning about prompting, doing the screen recordings, looking at remixing things, this all is about some amount of complexity before you can get to simplicity. So the reality check for me was this grand advice of just picking up the phone and hitting record did not work in my case.
So I had my woman in the mirror moment. And I had to just sit back and really look at the videos I had already uploaded and critique them. And what I really discovered was that it was missing some personal moments. I was showcasing the tools, but I wasn't really showcasing any personal moments. So,
I'm gonna make a change.
What I learned is that people relate to screens and people. If you're incorporating yourself as a part of the channel, then you should be sure to showcase yourself and not just the tools.
Hello, welcome in. I'm Madam AI, and I test AI tools so you don't have to.
This is where I noticed something. I realized that everybody wants the Tyler Chanel viral moment, but nobody sees the rehearsal that goes into getting to that moment behind the scenes. And that's where everything sort of clicked for me. It's that consistency isn't speed, it's sustainability. So my ability to be consistent has to deal with my sustainability. In the beginning, super tough pace to know that I had to learn tools and upload, right? 3 times a week was a suggestion, at least. Very tough to do when you're learning everything. You have to edit, you have to learn the tool, you have to do the screen recordings. At the end of the day, the middle phase is where the real growth happens. And we are in the thick of it, my friends, 30 days in. So if you're starting a YouTube channel, I see you. I know that it's not easy. It can feel messy. It can feel slow. It can feel super hard. And I get it. I'm in this with you. I'm in it for the long haul, right? Like Cher. I am in it for the long haul. After love, after love, after love. So hopefully this was helpful. I learned a lot. I learned about the guru's advice and pacing myself. I've learned about this particular niche. I've learned about the importance of connecting yourself to the channel as well as the tools. I've learned about how important it is to understand the heavy lifting that has to go into, or the rehearsals that have to go into growing your channel, and I'm willing to hang in there with you. So if you're with me, let me know in the comments. Let me know some of the challenging moments that you've had, or if there's anything about what I'm saying that resonates with you. And I have to, of course, give a special shout out to all of my subscribers and to anyone who's viewed the channel thus far. I appreciate you.